Neon sign.
Yeah, we need to replace that. Evening, folks. This is Scott from Hacklab. It's the evening of May 1st. Some of the things that makes a hackerspace really enjoyable is the tools, materials, the things you normally don't have access to. Our laser cutter, our 3D printers, our sewing machines, our table space that you can just sit down, do a board game with friends, do an electronics project. This is what makes a hackerspace tick. And we're getting close to that point where we can start supporting those activities again. One of the big pushes recently has meant that we've now got our work tables set up in our main space, our sewing machines, we're starting to figure out where we're going to place them. We're jumbling a lot of stuff to try and figure out how we fit in the VR space, how we fit in the electronics workbenches, and make this space work for our members and work for our guests. And we're really looking forward to having those folks back in here and engaged and enjoying this not being a construction site. And we're getting there. It's really cool. So bathrooms nearly finished. Kitchen, which we're so happy to have had donated, is looking good. Drainage will get sorted out soon, which will mean we can start opening the space to the public. So I'm really looking forward to all of that wrapping up, and I'm looking forward to seeing you folks back out here again. While we don't know exactly when we'll open, it's going to be sometime this May. So keep an eye on our website, Hacklab.TO. We'll be posting updates there. Keep an eye on our Twitter, our Facebook, under the Hacklab.TO banners. And if you're part of the crowdfunding campaign, you'll see updates there as well. So keep an eye on this, on the usual feeds, and as soon as we know, we'll let you know, and we'll be happy to see you guys out here again. Thank you.